day everyone, so welcome back into our channel. I hope you're okay there. So for today's lesson is all about subtraction up to million. So last time we have our addition up to million. So are you ready? Let's start. So we have here 57 minus 16. So always remember that we should start from our right going to our left. Since 7 and 6 are in the same column, we're going to subtract them together. So 7 minus 6 is equal to 1. Then 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. So what is our answer? It is 41. How about these numbers? So we have 4,565 minus 3,524. So we're going to start from our right. So 5 minus 4 is 1. 6 minus 2 is 4. How about 5 minus 5? It is 0. Then 4 minus 3 is 1. So what is our answer? It is 1041. You can see here another example. So we have 794,668 minus 431,527. So let's do it step by step. So 8 minus 7 is equal to 1. 6 minus 2 is equal to 4. 6 minus 5 is equal to 1. How about 4 minus 1? So it is 3. 9 minus 3 is 6. Then 7 minus 4 is 3. So our answer is 363,141. What if some of the numbers in this upper number is lower than our numbers here below? So what are we going to do? So let's take a look at this simple video.
In our ones place column, the digit on top is smaller than the digit on the bottom. How can we subtract a bigger digit from a smaller one? Did we make some kind of mistake? No, we wrote our problem correctly. The bigger number is on top. Sometimes this just happens. The top digit might be smaller than the bottom digit, so you can't subtract it, unless you borrow. Here's how borrowing works. The top digit is 5, but the digit below it wants to take 7 away.
Sorry, I don't have 7. I only have 5. Well, what about your neighbor? He's in a bigger number place. He's loaded, so you can just borrow from him. Excuse me, I've got a little problem. Do you happen to have something I could borrow?
Why, of course. Here you go.
Great, that 1 will help. But if you just add 1 to 5, you'd get 6. But fortunately, this 1 came from the next number place, and it really represents a 10. And when we add 10 to 5, we get 15, which is big enough. Now, instead of this column being 5 minus 7, it's 15 minus 7. And 15 minus 7 equals 8. Okay, we've got the first digit of our answer. Now we can move on to the next column. But remember, we borrowed from that number place. It used to be a 3, but now it's a 2. It went down by 1 because we borrowed from it. Well, remember, we really borrowed 10 because it was in the next number place. But it's sometimes easier to just think of it as borrowing a 1 and getting to stick that 1 in front of the digit that needed to borrow. So in the tens place, we have 2 minus 2, which gives us 0 in our answer. And then our last column just has 1 minus nothing, or 1 minus 0, so that's still just 1.
Always remember that if we have a lower value here in our uppercase than our lowercase, then we can borrow to its neighbor. So let's try this example. So we have 4,168,739 minus 2,657,835. So let's start subtracting from our right going to our left. So 9 minus 5 is 4. Very good. 3 minus 3 is 0. How about 7 minus 8? You can see that our upper number has a lower value than our lower number. So what are we going to do? We are going to borrow. So we're going to borrow to 8. So cancel 8. That makes us 7 already. Then we put 1 there. So that makes 17. So 17 minus 8 is 9. Very good. 7 minus 7 is 0. 6 minus 5 is 1. How about 1 minus 6? So what are we going to do? We're going to use the borrowing technique. So we're going to cancel 4. So this makes us 3 already. Then we put 1 there. So 11 minus 6 is 5. Then 3 minus 2 is 1. So our answer would be 1,510,904. How about this another example? We have 8 minus 5. It is 3. 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. How about 3 minus 1? So it is 2. Then 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. 5 minus 5 is 0. Then 5 minus 7, use the borrowing technique. So cancel, makes 1, then 5, we put it 1 to make it 15. So 15 minus 7 is equal to 8. Then 1 minus 1, that is 0. So our answer would be 802,203. So let's try subtracting also the following problems. You can do it also at your home. Are you ready? Can you subtract these following numbers? We have 576,823 minus 154,621. So I will give you a minute to subtract these following numbers. So what is our answer? It is 122,202. Are you ready for the next problem? How about this? We have 2,639,648 minus 726,469. Can you solve it for me? So what is our answer? It is 1,913,179. Last we have 1,634,236 minus 1,003,124. Can you subtract this for me? What is our answer? So it is very good. So our answer is 631,112. So I hope you get how to subtract these numbers. So always remember that in subtraction, we also need to start subtracting from our right going to our left. Then, if our upper number has a lower value than our lower number, then we can borrow to its neighbor. So see you again next time.